Hello, and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're going to talk about products that I've reviewed and still use to this day. Here's the deal. I love to try new things. I think that things are always ever evolving. There can always be a new, better thing, but sometimes the old staples are old staples for a reason. So most of the products I review, I buy them myself because I don't want to owe anyone anything, but there are occasions where companies contact me and they ask me to try their stuff, and I let them know that I am very serious, that I do not just say I like something just because I got it for free. And I let them know ahead of time, hey, if I don't like your product, I will let you know, and then you can let me know if you want me to actually do a review on it or not. And there has been times where I just have not reviewed a product because it didn't stand up to my quality and they would prefer me not to review, so I didn't review. But there are other products that I have been sent that I've been pleasantly surprised by and would have never tried without them sending it to me. So I am so thankful for that. So that's what we're going over today, is all the things that I've tried and still love and still use to this day. Oh, this Tangle teaser brush. How I love it. How I didn't know I wanted it. It was just a random purchase at I think like a TJ Maxx, but they sell these on Amazon. It's a wet or a dry brush, and I just love it so much. No matter how tangled your hair, of course starting from the bottom when working your way up, it gets out all my tangles. I've never met a brush like this, so I use it every day. This next product I use only when I need to, but I do use it when I need it, and it's called Low. Everything that I talk about, I'll link all the reviews below. But this stuff is amazing if you feel some kind of blemish coming on. You know those ones where you're like, you could feel it coming, but you can't quite see it yet? You put this stuff on and it like seriously disappears almost the next day. Or just keep doing it every day until it does. It really shortens the duration of a blemish, and I love it so much, and it's very, very handy thing to have. And I get it on Amazon. The next thing I use absolutely every single day, and I can't live without it, and I don't know how I lived without it before I had it, it's my pop socket. I have to tell you, it's the best thing ever. I first got a pop socket at the OC Fair, gosh, I don't even know how many years ago, but my friend's daughter was dancing at the OC Fair, so we went to the OC Fair. Then we walked around with all the kids afterwards, and they were like obsessed with these, so we ended up at a pop socket booth, and my friend and I were like, let's see what all the fuss was about, so we got one. The moment it was put on my phone and handed back to me, I was like, how have I lived without this? It makes selfies so much easier. I can tilt it up and watch videos. Like, it's the best thing ever. I've tried to switch to the one where your finger goes through it. I hated it so much that I ordered a pop socket and took it off immediately when I got the new pop socket because it just was not my thing. Much prefer this. So these next products I love are fake nails. Now, my favorites are the Impress ones, the Kiss ones, or the Color Street if you don't want to add any length to your nails. Those ones are amazing as well. I also love my newest favorite, Snoka nails. These nails are reusable. Reusable fake nails. I've never even heard of such a thing, but it's a thing and I love them. So those are my 4 top choices for at-home manicures, which all of us are pretty much doing right now. So this next one has to do with foundation, and whether you're a low maintenance girl or a high maintenance girl, I can go either way, it depends what day it is. It's this foundation, the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. This is amazing. It has a slight tint to it, and there's about, I think, 3 different color options, dark, medium, and light. I get all of them because depending on what time of year it is, I could be tan, I could be not tan, so I like to mix them to make my own foundation. So even if you don't think you see your color, make your own color. It's the best. Now there's no way I can do this video without talking about my favorite accent to makeup, and that's lashes. Now I have 2 favorites. I now have 2 favorites. It used to be one, and it was a hard, strong one for a really long time, which was the Ardell brand, specifically number 600 Wispies. Those are the ones that I love to wear. If I'm working on clients, I like to put them in the 102 Glamours. Those are my favorite for them. So I have 2 favorite Ardells. But the latest lashes I love are Magic Lashes, and I have them on right now. They are amazing. I just did a review on them not too long ago, but they have slowly worked their way into my routine because they're just a little bit more dramatic and they go on so easy. And if you're not good with lashes, I swear you have to try these lashes. And they come in all different sizes, and the price point is amazing. It's around 20 bucks and you can get them on Amazon. You have to try them. Now let's talk brows. I used to love Benefit for my brows. They're known for their brows. However, it's kind of pricey and it's good, but I don't think it's any better than this NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I love this freaking thing. It's amazing. I love it so much that I already have my backup bought. That's how much I love it. So if you're looking for a good eyebrow pencil, this is amazing. It has a little spoolie and it has a little twist up, so it's always sharp. This is my go-to brow pencil. And I have it in different shades as well, just because sometimes it's nice to change up the look. Go a little lighter, go a little darker, depending on how you want to do your makeup that day. Next up, this Conair all-in-one facial trimmer that I got for Costco on sale, mind you, is amazing, and I use it weekly. And it has a trimmer for the face, it has a trimmer for the nose, it has a trimmer for your bikini line. You can put it all in this cute little bag underneath your sink in the bathroom. It's just a perfect little package, and I loved it then, and I still love it now. Now, this next makeup product I used for a year straight every time I did my makeup. I think I love it about as much as I love lashes, and that's NYX Glitter Brilliance, or any kind of glitter for that matter, but this is my favorite, and it's so amazing. And all you need is the little glitter primer. Both these items are only $6.50, so it's not gonna break the bank, but it can really add to your look. I'm wearing it today because I decided to be fun, and I just love it so much. Glitter is the best. And if you are not good at makeup, you're like, I just can't do a cut crease, I can't do a smoky eye, add some glitter. I have lots of classes on it. Go check them out. You're gonna love it too. And that's it. That's all the things that I use daily or weekly. It's the things that I buy over and over again, or the things that I would buy again. And it is my hope that I have inspired you to try something new, and then maybe it will lead to you finding your new favorite daily item. Everything will be linked below. Make sure to check that out. But before you do, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. And hey, if you're new to my channel, I'm Ashley. I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly. If that's something you're into, please do hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, because that's what lets you know when I upload a new class, so you don't miss out on any of the fun. See you soon.